This is a real quick video to show you how to sort data when you're using an iPad. So I've got some data here. Most of it is sorted okay, but you'll notice that I've got a couple values down here that are out of order and I want them in order. So I'm going to go up to the top, use that little dot in the lower right to select everything. And what I want to do is called adding a filter in the iPad version of Google Sheets. So I go up to the three dots in the upper right and tap those. Go down to create a filter about midway. And now in the very lower right portion of the screen, you'll see three lines that form a triangle pointing down. Tap those. That's the filtering stuff. I want to select the A to Z, the first option under sort and filter. And that puts them all in order and keeps them side to side, separated side to side. Then I can select these and copy and paste them. Well, sorry, you don't do that on an iPad. You have to take a screen capture, but that's the purpose of another video. Okay? And that's all there is to it.